brings to us an ultrasonic warm and cold heating, well, I should say warm and cool humidifier. We're offering it at a phenomenal clearance price that is 35% off the regular QVC price now at $49.98. 3 easy pays will get this home if you're shopping with a major credit card. But of course, if you have the QVC credit card, you can up those easy pays to 6. Brooke Mills brings to us the whole collection from Homedics. She's a lucky lady because she gets to work with this wonderful company. Personal care items, massagers, all the good stuff. And she really enjoys all of those luxury products.
Every single day.
Good to have you here with us. Always a pleasure to see you.
Hello.
So talk to us about this. I think what's really interesting is that you have both warm and cool humidified air here.
Yes, and that's really awesome because rarely do you see that. And the warm and cool mist, first of all, a lot of callers have called in and said we really appreciate the warm air because it's just very soothing. It makes us feel better, especially if we're not feeling well, if we feel a little stuffy. Exactly. Or it's actually a beauty secret in disguise because like Janie and I talked about earlier, when you go and you get a facial, what do? They put the warm air and the mist on your skin because it's just good for it. It just makes it glow and it just feels so good and refreshing, especially in the warm, I mean in the dry.
When it's dry
when
and
it's
cold.
dry,
and
exactly, when it's cold out.
It's been going back and forth so much that you just feel like, you know, you don't know what to anticipate. But in any event, humidified air is much better for you. And this is a great unit, good size.
Yep.
It does come with a remote control, so you can operate this if you decide at one point you want to turn it off. But I'll let you take us on a tour.
Sure. So this is Homedics fully featured, and I'm going to go through. You can use the remote as well, but I'm going to show you right on the unit itself. So you're getting a humidistat. You want to treat that just like the thermostat in your home. You just select the level of humidity, and it'll work its way up. You have a timer. You can set that anywhere from 2 to 24 hours. Warm or cool mist, that's the button on mine. It's always on warm, but if you press it again, you can have that cool mist going. 5 different mist levels, so fully customizable. And then what's really nice is you have a night light, which is like a little lamp. It has a nice blue glow in the back. So if you have this in a child's room, it's nice to have that. Or if you're someone who tends to wake up in the middle of the night, it's nice to have that little light glowing. But if you are someone that likes it completely dark, if you press it twice and the unit will be completely dark, but the unit will still be working.
It'll still be working. So, and how, is this a top fill or do you have to take this to the sink?
You take this to the sink, but the way that Homedics designed this, it's great because you no longer have to lean over the tub and lift up a heavy tank. In fact, this is filled, so I can't really lift it up, but the way it's designed, it'll fit under most sinks, which is a nice option.
Yeah, and it's a pretty big reservoir, so again, you'll have multiple nights before you have to refill it.
65 hours of runtime, so that's about 8 nights without having to worry about.
Do you have to use special water? Can you use regular tap water in this?
Regular tap water is fine. And if you know that you have hard water, Homedics, of course, they have you covered because we include a demineralization cartridge. So all you do is when you fill it up, you pop that demineralization cartridge in the tank, and that will keep you going for about 35 fills.
I don't know if you caught that in the video, but there's the remote, and she's using it there too. And that means that you don't have to get up if you decide you want to turn it on or increase it or change the flow of the humidified air or flip back from warm to cool.
That's right. Exactly. You can do it all on the remote. And this is great for every bedroom, as you know. I mean, when you wake up in the morning, you just feel stuffy. This really, truly makes you feel better. But also, I like to use it in my den because I always blast the heat because I'm always cold. The fireplace is going, and it really sucks out all the moisture. This puts that moisture back into the air, so it's just going to make you feel good. And I love that you have the option of the warm and cool mist. This also has clean mist technology, by the way, so it will ensure that there's no mold or mildew growing on the inside of the tank.
That's great. And you saw the filling process. It's pretty easy. Like you said, take it to the kitchen sink. You can fill it up real easy. If you're walking through your house and you go to reach for something and it's metal and you get a shock, then guess what? You don't have enough humidity in your home. And I know a lot of us, it happens here in the host lounge sometimes. I'm like, geez, we need all these humidifiers that we present here at the Q. We need to get a humidifier for the host lounge because we're all walking around, you know, shocking each other. Because it's so dry. So if you experience that whole dryness all
Static
day.
cling, that makes me crazy.
I know.
With the hair and the clothes when it clings to you.
When you come home, not to have to be in that environment. We're here like 8 hours a day and have to deal with this kind of dry air and the static and all that stuff. When I go home, I want it to be a moist and comfortable environment. I can have it in my bedroom. I can have one this size. It's good too because I could put one in the office. You could afford multiples, especially now with the clearance price. But no, once this sells out, that's going to be it for this particular unit. So get it while we have it. $49.98 is the clearance price, 35% off our regular QVC price. And it really does, it is a great beauty secret. Also good for your wood furniture too.
Oh, absolutely. And you know, I want to read something from the Medline website because the scientists weigh in, and these are the reasons why they think humidifiers are good for us. So I'll read it word for word. According to the Medline website, which is run by the National Institute of Health, humidifiers increase the humidity in your home to help eliminate the dry air that can irritate and inflame the passages in your nose and throat. And humidified air can help relieve some discomforts of the colds and flu. That's what we discussed. And lastly, the beauty secret in disguise. I love that they agree. Humidified air helps maintain skin moisture and helps alleviate dry skin. It's just awesome. Feels so good.
At Beauty Secret. We all know it. And like you said, Brooke, the first thing they do when you go get the facial after they clean your face is they give you that warm steam treatment on your face. And it feels so good. It's so relaxing. Imagine being able to do that every night at home. So think about baby's room, office, where you spend most of your time, where the room where the fireplace is running, because that forced hot air and that heat from the fireplace tends to dry the air out in your home. V34326 is your item number. Place your order for us here at 1-800-500-7590 and shop confidently again. This is Homedics. This is the same brand that you would find in the stores that offer personal care. These are, you know, a company that's been around for how long now? Homedics?
Oh my gosh, since 1987.
Right.
Long time.
Yeah, so it's quality products that are designed to help us with home comfort and bring us the things that really do make a difference to our daily lives. This is one of those items. If you don't already have one, now's the time to think about it. And it won't be just in the winter that we'll use this. This is something that we'll be enjoying all year.
You can certainly use it all year round. And I love that it comes in this crisp white color. We've sold out a couple of the other colors, but this is really kind of a modern feel to it. It will go with most decors. And I just think it's really sleek. It's nice looking. It's nice to have in just about any room.
A nice small footprint. Well, there's only about 1,000 remaining at the clearance price. Once it's gone, that's going to be it. So please continue to place your order for this at 1-800-500-7590. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
So coming up in about 10 minutes, we'll have a look at the QVC 2 Big Deal. If you haven't seen it, it's the TableMate 2, set of 2 multi-purpose adjustable tables. We have sold hundreds of thousands of these, and if you can believe it, in the 25 years that we've offered this product here at theCUBE,